When work projects are discussed in regular messengers, important files and agreements inevitably get lost in the message flow. Planfix works differently. Here, every discussion is built around a task. This means that each task reflects one specific issue. Need to prepare a mock-up? Create a task called mock-up. Need a quarterly report? Create a task called quarterly report. A task can appear on your list for two reasons. First, you created it yourself to record an idea or to assign work to a colleague. Second, you were added to an existing task to complete a specific piece of work. Each employee has a role in each task. There is the assigner, who assigns the work, and the assignee, who completes it. There can also be participants. These are colleagues who can see the conversation and help with implementation. Everything you need is collected inside the task, including the current status or work stage. A detailed description, any initial information, a checklist, a chat for communicating with colleagues and clients only about this task, date range, and a quick search function. Even though there are many different sections, the chat will always be the heart of any task. This is where you write updates, ask questions, attach documents, and add data tags or reminders. It's important to note that you can choose which colleagues should receive a notification about your message. The task also has a side panel with several key features. They include details. This allows you to quickly view and edit all task fields. Subtasks. This helps you break the task down into smaller steps. Documents. Here you can quickly access all attachments and upload new files. Reminders. This lets you manage existing and new reminders. Log. This is where you can view the history of all changes made while working on the task. Permissions. Finally, this lets you control which employees have access to the task. The task name itself includes a menu, which allows you to quickly share or edit the task. There is also a star icon for adding the task to favorites, and the drop-down menu for access to management options. If the task is part of a project or has a parent task, a direct link to it will appear right by it. This structure is specifically designed to help you keep everything under control. By using task features to their full potential, you can make your work much more transparent and far more efficient.